Hello students, today we are going to start a new poem Silver written by Walter de la Mare. So, the Walter de la Mare, he was born in 1873 in England and died in England in 1956. Walter de la Mare was an English poet, short story writer and novelist for both adult and children. The Bookworm program conducted a poll to find the nation's favorite poem in 1995, and his poem Silver was voted number 63 out of the top 100 poems. So this was about the poet Walter de la Mare, who was also a famous short story writer and novelist. So now let us see his poem Silver. So Silver, it is all about moonlight. In this poem Silver, the poet describes it as a woman and because of moonlight everything on the earth looks in silver color. So let us see the first stanza. Slowly, silently, now the moon walks the night in a silver shoon. This way and that she peers and sees silver fruit upon silver trees. So, in these two stanzas, the poet is trying to tell us that slowly, silently, now the moon. At the poet starts the poem by describing a night scene, and at night the moon has come slowly and silently. Here, the poet directly compares the moon with a lady, and the lady who is the moon is walking at night in a silver shoes. Here, the word shoon, 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 it means shoes. So, the lady who is the moon is walking at night in a silver shoes. Silver shoes means the moon light. Peers means to see, to look. The moon looks like going here and there. In second stanza, this way and that she peers and see. So the poet is telling that the moon looks like going here and there. Wherever the moon sees means wherever the moonlight falls on the earth, everything looks like a silver color. One by one the casement catch her beams beneath the silvery thatch. Couched in his kennel like a log, with paws of silver sleep the dog. So in this stanza, the poet is telling us that one by one the casement catch. Casement means windows. Her beams beneath the silvery thatch. The moon starts to move upward. The moonlight falls on the window roofs and everything, the window roofs, the rays which are falling off the moon on the windows and roofs, it is looking silver color. Couched in his kennel. Couched means to sleep. Kennel means dog shelter and log means a piece of wood. So couched in his kennel like a log, with paws of silver sleeps the dog. And at night the dog is sleeping in the kennel and it looks like a piece of wood at night. The moonlight is falling on that dog and it is looking as if a piece of log. Log means a piece of wood. As the piece of wood. With paws of silver sleeps the dog. And it looks like a piece of wood at night. As the lady means the moon starts moving upward, its moonlight falls on the paws of the sleeping dog and his paws are looking silver. From their shadowy coat the white breeze peep of doves in silver feathered sleep. A harvest mouse goes scampering by with silver claws and silver eye. So from this stanza, the poet is trying to tell us that from their shadowy coat matlab a nest which is under a shadow. From that, there is a nest on a tree which is under a shadow. Tree shadow is there on that, falling on that nest, and as the moonlight is falling on this nest, it is looking silver color, and in that nest the birds are sleeping. White doves in the silver feathered sleep. A harvest mouse goes scampering by. Scampering means walking silently. Scampering means walking silently. And harvest mouse means those mouse which live in the fields and at night they come out in search of food with silver claws and silver eyes. And as the moonlight is falling upon this mouse, his eyes and his claws also looking silver. And moveless fish in the water gleam by silver reeds in a silver stream. So at night what is happening? The moonlight is falling on the water and the water is also shining. It's looking, everything is looking silver color. And moveless fish means the fish are not moving, they are sleeping. The poet is trying to tell that the fish are also silently sleeping in the water. Gleam means shining, shining water by silver reeds in a silver stream. So your reeds means a type of a grass and stream means a small river. So in this poem the poet has described a night scene and he is trying to tell us that each and everything on the earth is shining like a silver as the moonlight falls on it, and it is very beautiful scene of night. This was the poem written by Walter de la Mare. Thank you, students.